Welcome back, everyone. Please, before watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that's been making headlines and stirring debates across the nation: the Supreme Court's recent decision and how it might backfire on the justices themselves. This ruling has far-reaching implications that could shape the future of the judiciary and the nation. So, grab a seat and get ready for an in-depth analysis of how this decision could potentially come back to haunt the justices. Let's get started. The Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, is entrusted with interpreting the Constitution and ensuring justice is served. However, recent rulings have sparked controversy and raised questions about the court's impartiality and long-term consequences. Today, we're focusing on one particularly contentious decision that could have unexpected repercussions. To understand the potential fallout, we first need to grasp the essence of this controversial decision. On, insert date, the Supreme Court issued a ruling on, insert case name, which addressed, insert key issue, e.g., voting rights, abortion, gun control. The decision, which split the court, insert split, e.g. 5-4, has been hailed by some as a victory for, insert supporting group, and criticized by others as a blow to, insert opposing group. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of, insert ruling, a decision that will undoubtedly have significant ramifications across the country. Let's break down the key elements of this decision and why it's so controversial. 1. Legal precedent overturned. The ruling overturned decades of legal precedent, setting a new direction for how the law is interpreted and applied. 2. Impact on rights and freedoms. The decision directly impacts, insert group, e.g. women's rights, voting access, altering the landscape of, insert specific area, e.g. reproductive rights, election integrity. 3. Judicial philosophy. The ruling reflects a shift in judicial philosophy, with the majority opinion favoring, insert philosophy, e.g. originalism, textualism, over, insert opposing philosophy, e.g. living constitutionalism. The immediate reactions to the decision were swift and polarized. Supporters praised the court for upholding, insert principle, e.g. states' rights, Second Amendment, while critics warned of dire consequences for, insert affected group. Protester. This decision is an attack on our rights. We will not stand for this. The backlash wasn't limited to protests and rallies. Legal scholars, politicians, and advocacy groups quickly weighed in, predicting a host of negative outcomes. 1. Legal scholars. Many legal experts argue that the decision disregards established legal principles and sets a dangerous precedent. 2. Politicians. Lawmakers from both sides of the aisle have expressed concerns, with some calling for reforms to curb the court's power. 3. Advocacy groups. Organizations dedicated to, insert cause, have vowed to fight back through legislation, litigation, and public campaigns. Now, let's delve into how this decision could backfire on the justices themselves. Here are several reasons why this ruling might not play out as intended. 1. Erosion of public trust. The legitimacy of the Supreme Court hinges on public trust. This decision, perceived by many as politically motivated, could undermine confidence in the judiciary. When the public perceives the Supreme Court as just another political entity, it erodes the foundational trust that underpins our legal system. This decision risks deepening that perception. 2. Increased calls for reform. The ruling has reignited calls for Supreme Court reforms, including proposals for term limits, expanding the number of justices, or imposing stricter ethics rules. Congress member. It's clear that we need to take action to ensure the Supreme Court remains a fair and impartial arbiter of justice. Reform is necessary to maintain the integrity of our judiciary. 3. Political backlash. The decision may galvanize opposition, leading to a political backlash that could affect future judicial appointments and the overall composition of the court. Campaign speaker. We need leaders who will appoint justices that respect our rights and uphold justice for all. 4. Unintended consequences. The ruling could have unforeseen legal and social consequences, leading to a series of complex legal battles and societal shifts that challenge the court's authority. Constitutional law professor. Decisions of this magnitude often have ripple effects that the justices themselves may not foresee. These unintended consequences can complicate the legal landscape for years to come. To fully understand the potential backfire, we need to look at historical context. Past Supreme Court decisions have faced backlash, leading to significant changes in the judiciary and society. For example, the 1857 Dred Scott decision, which ruled that African Americans could not be citizens, faced severe backlash and is often cited as a contributing factor to the Civil War. Similarly, the 1973 Roe v. Wade decision, which legalized abortion, sparked decades of contentious debate and legal challenges. 1. Dred Scott v. Sandford, 1857 ***. The decision intensified national divisions over slavery and contributed to the outbreak of the Civil War. 2. Roe v. Wade, 1973. While establishing a legal precedent for abortion rights, it also ignited ongoing political and social battles. These historical examples show that Supreme Court decisions can have far-reaching and sometimes unintended consequences. The current decision may well follow this pattern, leading to significant societal and legal shifts. Looking ahead, the long-term implications of this ruling could be profound. Here are some potential scenarios to consider. 1. Legal precedent and future cases ***. The decision sets a new legal precedent that will influence future cases. Other courts will look to this ruling when interpreting similar issues, potentially leading to a cascade of related legal decisions. This ruling will serve as a benchmark for lower courts. Its implications will reverberate through the legal system, affecting countless future cases. 2. Legislative responses ***. In response to the ruling, legislators may propose new laws aimed at countering its effects. This could lead to a series of legal battles as new legislation is challenged in courts. 3. Public opinion and social movements ***. Public opinion can shift dramatically in the wake of such decisions. Social movements may gain momentum, leading to increased activism and possibly influencing future elections. 4. Judicial appointments ***. The ruling could influence the future of judicial appointments. Presidents and senators may prioritize appointing justices with particular judicial philosophies to shape the court's direction. We need justices who will uphold the Constitution and protect our freedoms. I will appoint judges who are committed to these principles. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth political coverage. And as always, stay informed and engaged. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.